A judge said an ISU police officer verbally and physically assaulted him.
Finally get him out of the car, they just start screaming.
The officer used unnecessary force.
Trying to fight me. Yeah. So.
I'm stunned that this came to trial.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In August of 2023, Derek Miles was on his way home from work to meet up with a friend when Iowa State University police officer Frankie Contreras alleges that he noticed Miles' vehicle with dark window tint. Officer Contreras slowly followed Miles into a campus parking lot before finally activating his emergency lights. Having arrived at his destination, Miles calmly opened his door and stepped out of his vehicle, but Officer Contreras failed to initiate his body cam for the first 30 seconds of the interaction, and the beginning dialogue cannot be heard. When the audio finally turns on, Officer Contreras gives Miles a series of conflicting commands to get in and out of the vehicle, and to sit down and stand up.
Making you a traffic stop.
Ow.
So, sit back in the car, roll down your window.
I don't have to roll down. I'm sitting in my car. I don't have to do anything.
Okay.
Get your sergeant here. I don't feel comfortable with you.
Okay, I'm gonna have you stand up. I'm gonna have you stand up.
Don't
stand
touch
up.
me. Don't
stand up.
touch me.
Stand
don't
up.
touch me.
Stand up, bro. Stand up,
do
bro.
not touch me, bro.
We got 10-200. Are you being defiant? Can you step it up, please?
No, do not touch me, bro.
Stand up for me.
Don't touch me.
Stand up for me.
I haven't done nothing wrong. Do not
stand
touch
up
me.
for me.
You told me to sit my
if
car.
You don't stand. All right, bro.
What?
If you don't stand up, I'm gonna tase you.
You're gonna what?
Miles finally stood up once the officer moved away from the interior of his vehicle and immediately puts his hands in the air.
No, get off me. Don't touch me. Stop. Stop. Look at me. Hey, look at this. Look at this. You just tried to plan. Look at this. I'm not. Stop. Stop. My arms are straight out.
Stop.
My arms
Put your hands
out.
behind your
My arms
back.
are straight out. No, you're hurting me, bro. Ow! 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 Stop, bro. What the f*** are you doing? Are you serious? Bro, I didn't do nothing wrong.
Put your hands behind your
I haven't done nothing
back.
wrong, bro. Stop. What are you doing? I can't. You're f***ing twisting my arm. You have your knee in my spine. How can I put anything behind it?
Your hands
bro, get off of me.
behind your back.
Bro, I'm not resisting. You're on me. I can't do nothing.
Your hands.
How can I look how you're on me, bro? Look how you're on me, bro. You're trying to hurt. You're not gonna hurt me. Get off of me, bro. Just get your sergeant. You're not even strong enough. You're hurting me. Help! Somebody help me. He's
fucking tase you,
bro.
I'm gonna fucking tase you. Put your hands behind your back.
Bro, look at this shit. Help me. Bro, you have your knee in my spine.
ISU, I got one at taser point.
I have done nothing wrong.
Put your hands, both hands, behind your back.
Bro, you have your knee in my arm. How can I do anything?
Shut the up and put your hands behind your goddamn back.
Yep, I'm so glad you did.
After putting Miles in handcuffs, a lieutenant arrives on scene.
Yep.
He slammed me on my face, bro, for 10. Look at my face.
Okay.
Look at my face, bro. Watch this body cam.
Okay. I'm not as.
If I would have just killed this officer because I got my CCW, then what? He just did something hella illegal. Get his body cam right now. I don't have, yeah. I'm so happy and he's threatened, bro. What is wrong with you? You're pathetic. Are you a sergeant?
I'm Lieutenant.
Can I get my...
Listen, I'm Lieutenant Frank City. I'm not in charge.
I already have a lawsuit against the police, bro. Y'all are crazy. This is for tent. My car just got fixed. I did nothing wrong. All right.
Go ahead and stand up for
Bro, get my money. No, get my money. What are you doing? That's my bro. I'm not doing nothing wrong. Here.
stand up.
How much you supposed to have? Hey, sir, what do you mean? I haven't none of my money yet. I just got my fucking check. Hey, look at my wrist. Can you help me? Look at my wrist. Look at my wrist, bro. I can't feel my wrist. Let me fix it. Can you watch the body footage? He just did this over 10. That's an infraction, sir. I just got my car fixed. Run my schedule.
Listen. I know you're upset.
How? Upset? Look at my face. I just got assaulted.
Listen to me.
Officer Contreras attempts to explain what happened, but ends up lying about the encounter, claiming that Miles tried to fight him, though the video shows otherwise.
So I pull up. He's getting out of his car. I'm telling him to sit back down. He's trying to fight me, and I'm like, dude, he just ridiculous.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Do you see my face?
I don't yet. Let me look.
He slammed me on my face over a tint. He told me to get in my car and then slam me on my face. I sat down and he tried to pull me out. Bro, he chipped my tooth. He just chipped my tooth,
I don't want you to yell
bro.
because you're spitting on me. I'm not mad
Because
at you.
I'm hurt.
Listen, I hear you. Just try not to spit on me.
If you just got slammed on your face, would you just not be mad?
Open your mouth.
He wants to talk to you too. So.
Yeah, you okay?
Yep.
Okay.
This should be good. So he stopped him. He's already getting out of the car, acting froggy. Like, oh, like you can't stop me. I'm parked. Like, okay.
This is the same guy that Tanner dealt with.
Okay. So odor of marijuana in the car. I was trying to get him out to detain him because he's getting back in the car. Sit back in the car, roll down your window. After I told him to sit down, but he's just being difficult. Then I said, get up, I'm gonna just put your handcuffs, and then he just wasn't listening. So.
He chipped my tooth, bro.
Which one?
My back left one, I feel it. It hurts. Right here. I feel it.
The top on
Hey,
the
bro,
bottom.
you see it. I feel
I
it.
can't see it. Look down.
Can you have another officer look? Do you see this fat ass tip in my tooth?
I can't.
Thank
I
you.
can see it now.
You chipped my tooth, bro.
Well, listen.
Can I get a sergeant here?
What's wrong with these cuffs now?
Look at my right wrist.
Okay.
It's stuck. He didn't even put it on there right. He jammed it on my bone, bro.
Well, it didn't sound like it was very compliant, right?
How?
I
couldn't even record, bro. I
tried.
tried to record. Those people see me. I did nothing wrong. I got on my car. He said, get in my car. He tried to slam me.
Do you have your meter? Because I don't have my meter in the car.
Yeah.
Okay. So obviously got to. For this one, he's already under arrest for interference, obviously. Odor of marijuana in the car, like I said, so maybe searching the car. He just have a load of ton of cash in his pocket.
Last time, if this is the same gentleman, there should be a gun in the car.
Oh yeah.
He's mad because he's 5'9" and he couldn't do nothing.
Okay.
I didn't resist nothing, bro.
Well, it's not a physical challenge. We're not trying to fight each other.
He's put his knee on my back. I told him, could you please get off me? I can't breathe. You're going to kill me for what? Over a
I don't
tenth?
think he's going to kill you.
Over a tenth? Yes, he tried to.
It's probably odor of marijuana from your car.
I don't have no marijuana in my car.
Okay, I'm just telling
Ow, ow, my left wrist.
You want me to fix it or not?
Yes, bro, my left wrist. It's like stuck on my bone.
Did you not yell at me and then like
What does that have to do with you yelling? It hurts,
Because you're
bro.
twisting.
It hurts.
I
It's
can't.
on my bone.
Hey,
Get
quit
it on.
moving. I can't.
Yes,
Quit
bro.
moving.
You know, Sarge, I'm a good guy, bro.
Hold on, relax.
Officer Contreras now conducts a search of Miles' vehicle and claims that he finds shake.
There, oh, shake right there.
He then claims that Miles must have just sold everything off.
If you want to recheck that passenger side for me, that'd be awesome.
What do you need help with?
Nothing from here. I'm gonna do this to the trunk real quick. I just searched already, and then probably end up just placing runs for. Well, I mean, if we find anything else, there's a whole bunch of shake, like in the when you put down the visor, not the visor, where you put like sunglasses. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of shake in there. But I mean, did you see how much cash he had on him? So he just got done selling.
Okay, thank you. He's working out. Okay.
It was not just that way, bro. I wouldn't be acting like that. I'm a grown-ass man. I'm a law student on top of that. What are you talking about? This is not his first time with me. We've talked before.
Yep.
Now this time you
Okay,
just
can we
watch
talk
me get
now?
slammed, sir. No, I would like to speak to you.
I just walked up.
I know. That's why I'm
Okay,
sorry, sir.
all right.
That's why I would like to
Okay.
speak to you. We've
So,
had a conversation.
Right now, I'm going to have you have a seat.
Yes, sir.
So we can get things settled down
Yes,
just a little
sir.
bit, and then we'll talk here in just a second, okay?
Sir, my face hurts.
Okay,
My face hurts, bro. He
We're
fucking slammed me on my face, bro,
Sure.
over 10.
we're about.
I didn't do nothing fucking wrong. You know I'm a law student.
All right.
We've had multiple conversations, bro.
Hey, just give me a minute, okay?
Talking about me, weed, the smell from my car. We've had this
All right.
conversation before.
Officer Contreras finally explains a fabricated version of events to his superiors.
You alright? No, I'm fine. Okay, good. You're just freaking, it was ridiculous. Yeah. He like gets out of the car already, he's like, no, you can't stop me, I'm in private property. Like, dude, I saw you over there if that's your case. And then you get out of the car, I'm like, just sit down for me. Yeah. I'll get him over here, just sit down for me. And then just bitching. Well, I'm not giving you nothing. Then I just try to detain him. Then he sits down in the car. And then as I'm trying to detain him, obviously you get the odor of marijuana. That's why he's trying to separate himself from the car. So then finally get him out of the car. And he just starts screaming. And then like trying to fight me.
Yeah.
So I picked him up just to get away from the car. You'll see on the video. Literally picked him up over there. They tried sweeping, but I was like, I can't do it. And then we came up here. Then we ended up on the floor. And then I just like, I'm just gonna sit here until you guys get here.
Yeah. Okay. I thought you were running at first. I didn't know what was going on. Yeah. So. Yeah.
No gun.
So just
Mags, but no gun.
Okay. You find
Shake.
anything?
No, there's a whole, but like, you know the sunglasses thing where you press the button and it comes out? Whole bunch of shit ton of shake in there. He has a lot of cash on him.
Yeah, just I see the cash starting to blow. That's
Yeah, I'll put it away.
Can I get my money?
Just relax. Take care of it.
You know I don't smoke. Y'all can drug test me right now. Am I under arrest?
You're detained at least.
Can I talk to the sergeant?
He's over there. I'm assuming that this officer will go over all that here in a little bit.
Can you get pictures of my hands and stuff and my elbow?
I think he'll do that.
Thank you. Somebody jacked mine out of 50, so.
Oh yeah. So what do we have on him right now? Obviously.
Interference and intent is what I'm charging with.
Okay, right now.
Yeah. No, just shake. 5. I couldn't even ask him. So if you want to ask him.
I just didn't know if we needed to impound it. If there's no insurance on it, or.
Yeah, you can ask him. You don't want to talk to me, so it's fine.
Okay.
What I'm gonna end up doing. Yeah, I mean, I can obviously just take him back to the PD and I can charge him a lot of stuff, but we'll see how he is.
Are you gonna try to invoke implied consent or anything like that? Since he.
I don't think so. I think that's why Doug's talking to him right now.
Yeah. Did you ever lose sight of him at all?
No.
Yeah.
No, so I stopped right here. As I stopped, he's getting out of the car.
Oh, okay. Okay. So it wasn't a situation where you.
No, yeah, I lit him up.
Okay.
Y'all all work together. This is crazy. You sitting here asking me stuff, telling me not to be angry. If you got slammed on your face, how would you react? Over 10. Let me ask you that. Over 10. No, there is no. That's what you're here for, right? He said, stop me for 10. But you just said, no. What's the no for, sir?
If you're going to ask questions, could you wait for my answer? That's all I'm asking.
But you just said, no to what? That's what you're here for.
Let's rewind to the answer I was trying to give you. Okay? I never said that I didn't expect you to be upset. What I'm saying is, how am I supposed to interact and actually have a conversation when you're yelling? And when you're yelling, and I'm not saying that you shouldn't be upset or that you don't feel upset, but you're spitting on me. I don't think you're doing it intentionally. I'm just telling you, I get your spit on my face. It's not like I'm going to charge you with assault, but I'd rather not. You know what I mean? That's what I tried to tell you earlier. The animations and the being upset, the emotions.
Is my elbow bleeding? My shit hurts, bro. This is crazy, bro. This is how y'all build rapport with your citizens.
Well, most of the time we don't have the tussle that you articulated.
I didn't tussle with nobody.
You just said we had a tussle.
I said he tried to put his knee in my spine. He tussled with me. He tried to slam me. I tried my best not to go on my face. I stuck 2 hands out. That's a tussle, sir.
Okay.
Why would I just get slammed in my tooth? He already tipped my tooth.
I'm here to argue with you.
I know. I'm telling you. You weren't here. I lived it. Just like how y'all can watch the body cam. You can watch the body cam. I did nothing wrong. I have no drugs. I go to school. Why? What is all this for?
Do you want me? He's probably going to be bitching at me the whole time. Do you want me to take him, or do you want somebody else to start taking him? What do you want? Doug, what did you see? I know you were talking to him. What did you see?
No 200 in there?
Huh? No, just a whole bunch of shake.
Yeah, he
a shit ton of cash.
With it.
Yeah. So.
What did I see? I Leeway and Lynn, I went there. I see how you came here, but I went this way and then I went that way.
My fault. Yeah. I was trying to get this lot. Well, no. So I was telling him, I pull up. He's instantly trying to get out of the car. I'm like, just take a seat for me. Well, I want your sergeant. You can't pull me over on private property. I'm like, okay.
Well, this is a public lot, actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
I didn't see.
Then he tries to like dip away from me after I smell the odor, and I'm trying to detain him at this point because he's just being difficult. And then he just really passive aggressively.
Tied to us. It's another wrapper for there.
No.
What did I see? Nothing. I got here and.
No, I'm saying him, Bearman. That's what you were just talking on the most.
I mean, I have the odor of burnt marijuana. That's all I can tell you. I mean, he's not in it. First off, being a cooperator.
Oh, I know.
Second of all, which is fine. Second of all, like looking at him that close, he's yelling. I haven't even taken the time to really start studying that.
Okay.
So what was the initial reason for stop?
The 10. I saw him on Chamberlain and Welch, and then I turned around on him, and then I saw him just pulling here. So I lit him up as he was parking.
Well, he's got. We'll take photos. He's asked for him. We would take him anyway. Scrapes on his hand, his elbow. What you would expect if you're trying to. He said to me, yelling like, "Man, we have a tussle." I'm like, "Oh, this one didn't have a tussle." He's a tussle because I was trying to. He threw me on the ground and he said, "I can't tell if it's recent or not. Chipped my tooth. It's back there." He's got a tooth in the back that is half and half in the back that is chipped. So whether or not that occurred here, we probably should or would want to look here to either confirm or deny that. So we probably should look for a chipped tooth type thing. You know.
Okay.
I would do that.
How many people get slammed over at traffic stop? Slammed. Would you like to see? Can I step out for 2 seconds, or?
I don't know. You can just stand up if you want.
Well, there's blood on my elbow. There's blood on my back, and he chipped my tooth, sir.
Yeah.
He slammed me on my face and I tried my best to brace for the impact, but I did nothing wrong. He told me to get in my car. You can ask him. I sat in my car. He asked me to get out of my car. I got out of my car. He tried to detain me. I just asked him what was I being detained for, and then he tried to slam me.
Yeah. Okay.
I never once had a problem with complying. I never have. You can look. You have a profile of me,
Yeah.
sir.
Well, every time any type of force is used, even if it's just hands, if it's tasers, if it's anything, there's always a review done by the department.
While we go ahead and transfer him into your car.
Yep. And then we'll hang out here till paramedics arrive.
Yeah, they're coming here. Yes, that's me.
I'm gonna just hit report so I can make sure that video I can just put it on.
Okay.
Your case.
Yeah, you want to go ahead and do that? You can, Tim.
Big Duck.
Hey, remind me your first name again.
Derek.
Derek?
Yep.
All right. Derek, let me write your hand.
I appreciate you, sir.
All right.
I feel like every time we meet, it's during the most craziest circumstances.
Sometimes that happens. We're going to have you step out of this car into another car, so that you don't have to talk with this officer again.
Yeah, no. Like,
right.
can I get and I didn't get a chance to ask the lieutenant yet, but I know you said I need to ask him. But before you guys get me booked and everything, can I make that complaint now, or do I need to wait till I'm out of it?
Well, we'll get that taken care of.
Okay.
I promise you we'll get that taken care of.
In the end, the department did handle a complaint, but after a review of the incident, Police Chief Michael Newton declared that Officer Contreras did not use excessive force, even though the incident caused Miles multiple injuries, one that required a surgery, as well as a cracked tooth and abrasions on his hands and elbows.
That slam to the ground left 25-year-old Derek Miles with a torn labrum and thousands of dollars in medical bills. He says these are the scars left behind from the surgery.
It starts about here, and it works its all the way down here.
Miles' case was brought to trial, but after reviewing the evidence, Judge Stephen Owen dismissed it, stating Miles was never given a chance to comply to Contreras' orders and described the officer's actions as verbal and physical assault.
There are occasions after 27 years where I am still shocked to the core by what I see. This is one of those days. I'm stunned that this came to trial.
No lawsuit has been filed for this case, but if one ever is, I'll be sure to let you know. Until then, leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of this interaction. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, check out another episode, linked on screen.